Guys, so we have reached the third point now. So I appreciate your effort in making your relationship better with your partner. And actually these points, these are like the typical characteristics of a man and woman. Maybe some person may have a feminine side, some person may have a little bit masculine side, right? So maybe some of the points do not match with you or your partner, but most of the points are like how they are in general public, right? So let's get to it. So this is very important. So when coping with stress, men tend to get focused and withdrawn from their surroundings, while women get overwhelmed and emotional when they face a problem. And men feel better by solving their problem, while women feel better by talking about their problem. Very different, isn't it? So let's see how they used to cope with stress on Mars and Venus. On Mars, to feel better, the Martians will go to their caves to solve their problems alone. Okay, so when men feel troubled or men feel that there is a huge problem, they like to solve it alone in their mind. They go into the cave of their mind, they lock themselves in, and they tend to go over and over thinking about the problem to solve the problem. And at the time they become very focused on solving that problem, or maybe they can take some other problem. Okay, they will focus at a time on a problem and they forget about everything around them. They cannot give attention to their wife or their girlfriend at the time, and if they do not find a solution, they do remain stuck in their cave. At this time they tend to go for solo activities to solve like little problems, to distract themselves, like watching TV, reading news, driving, maybe anything which they like. Gradually this distracts them from their main problem and they forget their problem. Now they have come out of their cave and now they can again focus on the family. And how women react to the cave? As men do not talk about their problem, women feel that why can't he share his problems with me? He's ignoring me. He doesn't think that he should share his problem with me. So women feel hurt with the man being withdrawn and not talking to them. The man is busy in his thoughts, so he does not realize that woman is feeling hurt, and he may act defensive. Okay, if you say something, then he may act defensive, like what, why are you bothering me, something like that. Okay, and this, you may become more and more hurt by that. But if you understand each other, both of you can avoid getting hurt if you know why the man is doing like this, okay, or why the woman is behaving like this. Now, so let's see how about Venus. So the people on Venus, the women, they used to get together and openly talk about their problems. That is what used to help them reduce their stress. So when women tend to face problems, they want to talk about it more and more with people they can confide in. Okay, so that is what reduces their stress ultimately. A woman under stress is not immediately concerned with finding solutions to her problems, but rather seeks relief by expressing herself and being understood. She just wants to talk about the problems and express herself. And when she is upset, she does not prioritize, okay, this is the main problem or that is the main problem. Everything comes at once. Everything which has ever bothered her or is currently bothered her will come out. She may talk about everything, maybe random things. But by doing this, she feels relieved. She explores everything and then she realizes, okay, what is the current issue which is bothering her? And now she is no longer overwhelmed with it. If she feels that the person she is expressing that to is listening to her, then her stress decreases and disappears. But if she feels that no one is listening to me, I am not being heard, then she may become even more upset. To forget her own painful feelings, a woman may get involved in others' problems also, so that she forgets her own problems. Talking is a natural and healthy reaction to stress for women. But how men react when women need to talk? So actually on Mars, if anyone is talking about their problem, it means that either they are blaming the person to whom they are talking, or they want an advice. So the man feels that she's sharing her problem because she thinks that he has done something wrong. So in this case, he might become defensive and he won't listen to her. And if he thinks that she wants him to fix the problem, then he will become Mr. Fix-It and will start giving her advices to do this or do that to fix her problem. But when she does not feel better because with all this, he feels rejected or unappreciated, and he feels frustrated. He doesn't want to listen anymore to her. So for women, they should not keep the man in suspense. Okay, suppose they're talking and talking, but they're not telling the actual issue. So this makes the men frustrated because they are result oriented, right? So tell the outcome of the problem. If the man knows listening to her will help her, he will and he can relax and listen to her. Just as a man is fulfilled through working out the details of solving a problem, a woman is fulfilled through talking about the details of her problem. So, what have we learned with this chapter? So, men has learned that by listening to a woman, they can make her feel better. When she feels that she is being heard, she feels positive and she recovers from her stress. And soon, even the men will realize that when they listen to her problems, these problems help them come out of their own cave also. And what women have learned, that men going into their cave doesn't mean that they don't love her anymore or they are ignoring her, but it's their way of dealing their stress. So at this time, the woman should not disturb, right? Otherwise, they will again get defensive. And when he was distracted, she would stop talking and wait for him. So when a man acts distracted and is not listening to you, not paying attention, then stop talking and wait for him to come back. That way no one gets hurt. Now a final word to the women. When men are in their caves, do not disturb them. You can indulge in your own activities. You can go out with your friends or you can do your own activities. You can be happy. Seeing you happy will make the man come back to you also, that you are being understanding. So this is a happy point for the men also. Alright, let's talk later more.